Hey, buddy, there's a floor in there now.
He's in there deep.
He's not digging a hole.
There you
Hey,
are. Good morning. All right, hold on. Let's get you covered. I'm so covered in hay.
we gotta have a
It's Punxsutawney Phil! Woo! Nice job, Phil. Awesome. Phil's made a choice.
Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. Now on this February 2nd, Punxsutawney Phil, the seer of seers, the prognosticator of all prognosticators, was awakened from his wintry nap at dawn on Gobbler's Knob. Phil looked to the skies and then, speaking in groundhogese, directed the president to the proper scroll, which reads, "What a way to start a Sunday fun day. You always said you'd make it here one day. To this place, barely big enough to contain ya. To this sweet Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. We're all here with the elements combined, where Mother Nature meets Father Time. To hear the truth, are those gray skies? Only I know you can't trust AI. It's Groundhog Day, and maybe life is on a loop. But I miss my burrow. I miss my coop. So I'm headed back down. There's a shadow up here. Get ready for 6 more weeks of winter this year. Woo!
Woo!
There it is.
All right. We welcome you. If you want to stay, you can come up on stage and get your picture taken with Phil in the inner circle. We'll do it for as long as Phil will let us. You come up on my left, this side of the stage. So form a line that goes out that way, and we'll take your picture up on stage with Phil. I'd like to encourage you to go downtown Punxsutawney. We have a lot of great activities happening down there. We have the park, we have the community center, the weather center, a lot of great restaurants serving breakfast this morning. The Chamber of Commerce, you can get information and souvenirs, and we also have souvenirs up at our shop. So thank you for coming to Groundhog Day in Punxsutawney. Happy Groundhog Day! all dirty.
There you go. Hey, it's all good. Now you're presentable.
When Chekhov saw the long winter, he saw a winter bleak and dark and bereft of hope. Yet we know that winter is just another step in the cycle of life. But standing here among the people of Punxsutawney and basking in the warmth of their hearths and hearts, I couldn't imagine a better fate than a long and lustrous winter.